Get a tighter squeeze than that. Alright, good morning from Daikoku, guys. Sunday, last day of Auto Salon. Starting off at Daikoku. Get the pink 430 Spider rolling in. My goodness. So, weather is decent today. A little damp, but we'll see what we can see before we head to Auto Salon. We're going to get all the cars rolling out of the show today. It's going to be really, really fun. So stay tuned. It's going to get wild. How about this warrior here, bringing out the open top 311. Nice NA2 going by. Bring the open top Lotus 311, basically a race car for the road, no fixed roof on a damp day. This guy does not care. Yeah, it's like pretty stripped out. It's Lotus. Simplify, then add lightness, as we already know. Manual, roll cage in the back. Well, mini roll cage for this car, I guess you could say. But it looks awesome. I don't think I've seen one of these before. That is so sick. Slammed Century. Oh my. That is sick. Gotta love the VIP style. The multi-spokes suit it really well. Loud Gran Turismo beside it. Sick. Look at this find. How cool is this? This B5 A4 is practically a touring car for the road because this guy's done a full conversion. So it's gutted out in the back, got the bucket seats, the saw belt harnesses. We have a sequential shifter in there, the quick release wheel. So this looks very, very much like an old British touring car, a Japanese touring car championship Audi. Got the full livery going on too. This 993S is so nice. The blue is awesome. And then just to top it off, check out the interior. Kind of hard to see, but it is blue. I mean, you can see the backs of the seats. Very blue, like the dash, everything matching. That is sweet. Check it out, the pair of Koenig Special Ferraris. You've got the Testarossa over here. You've got the rare 512 BB. So I think we've seen a few Koenig Special cars since we've been here. But this is basically the OG supercar modifier, like well before Mansory or anything like that. These kits are so classic, so timeless. Let's have a look at the back of the cars, because that's where a lot of the interesting stuff is. For that, we'll just show the 5-spoke KS Koenig Special wheels. It's on the OG Pirelli tires too. These are classics. But yeah, let's go have a look at some of the bodywork back there. Yeah, if we take a look at the back, the styling on the Testarossa is very a la F40. You can see the wing, got the fiberglass rear window with the slits in the back. Very cool. And you've got these massive intakes sticking out just behind the rear side windows. And then we've got the 512 BB over here, which is really, really different looking. The big selling point, obviously, is that rear wing. That's very unique. Got these cannons for exhaust on the 512 BB. The yellow is really striking too, but it looks like the fenders have also been pulled out. Got that smaller sort of duckbill at the back. Yeah, period correct. Sick. Alright guys, we came back to Auto Salon. It's the tear down. Everything's moving out quickly. Like 6 o'clock hits and everybody starts packing up. Like, these guys do not mess around. Cars are on the move. So let's see what we can see. There goes the Liberty Walk Eurus. The world's quietest Aventador award goes to. Get those valves open. And I guess I'll wait for the Countach to roll out after that. saw this Hakoska before. Man, that is sick. Lots of carbon fiber body parts. The wide body, it's slammed as anything. Like, it is damn low to the ground. Yeah, those carbon fiber parts are cool. And we get the full carbon fiber body right next to it. Interesting hood opening mechanisms. The roof too, and it's gutted out. Like, I mean gutted out. There's literally nothing in it. Roll cage and a steering wheel. That's about it. Man, oh man, look at this Aventador. The RGB lights. Oh, got the Silhouette GT Evo behind that. Yeah, I wasn't kidding, guys. Like, everything moves out pretty quickly. So we're just chilling here in Hall 8 where Liberty Walk is. It's been maybe like 20 minutes, and like mostly everything is already torn down. So many of the cars are already heading out. Like, these guys don't play around. Everything gets cleared out very quickly. But we're still getting to see some cool cars heading out. Let's get back to it.
That's hilarious.
You get a tighter squeeze than that. Oh man. Some wide body struggles right there. Here we go, guys. The Mitsuoka, the Liberty Walk kit, the Japanese supercar. Kato-san directing traffic. Get out of the way for the F40. Interesting, they started the F40, did not start the Silhouette RX-7. It's getting the old roll job. We got the F8 with the F40 kit rolling out. One of my personal favorites from the show is because that kit is so sick. Look at that LM wing. Okay, Liberty Walk F40 has ditched up. I guess waiting for the trailer. Look at this truck. Look at this truck. I've never seen a hydraulic truck like that before that lifts the whole front of the car up and you just drive onto the back. I don't know, maybe that's common practice over here. I've been missing something for a long time, but I've never seen anything like that. That's what the hydraulic truck is for. Like the D1 GP Supra. Obviously, we're not going to hear that start up. It's just rolling. But it's cool to see it on the move. loaded up onto the truck, so that was quite the efficient pack up. I've never seen anything like that. Auto Salon does it right. But we're done here. It's a long day, a long weekend of shooting here. So many cool cars, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Lots more Tokyo content coming up. I'll see you guys next time.